This is the tea when trying to get like a super sleek do. This is how they do it. So now get ready with me for my first day with the Model East magazine. We are going to dinner tonight at Tao. I'm in LA and I need to do my hair. I'm wearing this super classy look, so I need to give classe, you know what I mean? The theme is rose, and the sad thing is I have this gorgeous piece from This is the rose pink outfit from IMGA. It's so see-through, it could be a bikini cover-up, but it is stunning. It is a statement. But I just feel like it's giving like too much, it's giving too much. But I might have to wear her, she's really cute. It's kind of like a going out outfit, and it's like really see-through. Like when I say really see-through, I mean I might as well be nude. And I'm really trying to get out of that like mindset of wearing, you know, that type of clothes. Even though I'm still so young, like I can wear that. So we'll see. Not sure what the outfit is giving. Definitely know what the hair is going to give, so let's get into the hair. I'm gonna do my cute, I call this the That Girl hairstyle. Some of you might be familiar with it. Some of you might be just brand new. It doesn't matter. We're going to do it again today because I haven't done this hairstyle in a while. This hairstyle is definitely for longer curly hair. This hairstyle is not for short curls. Like, it's just too hard to do and it doesn't give the same way that the long hair does. So just warning. So first things first is I cut down right where my eyebrow is. That's where I make my cut. And you're gonna need two pieces, two parts. This is like the most crucial part of the hair. You really wanna make sure as well you have enough to where these are going to touch, because that's how I think I'm gonna get a little bit more over here. Cause that's how I keep the hair so sleek. That's the tea. So now this needs to be put up. I've been listening to like happy music, guys, because I'm just like, I don't want to listen to my same music all day. Like, I'm just not interested in that. And so I just put in happy stick playlist. So if you hear my happy music in the background, that's what it is. Best thing I ever invested in was this travel size hairbrush. I mean, who needs a full-size hairbrush? Personally, if you're watching this and you have curly hair, you totally feel me. Like, there's so many brushes I have to have. This brush, a Denman brush, a slicker brush, an edge control brush, a cut brush. Like, it's too many brushes. Like, you gotta get the travel size, babe. I promise you, it is worth the money. And I was always frustrated with having to buy stuff like that because it's like, do I really need to buy another hairbrush? Yes, you do. Okay, next you're gonna go in with your gel. This is honestly really simple and really quick. This is sorry guys, we're working with the travel life here. Come on, gel. I don't really have much left in here, do I? Is this gel? I feel like this might be conditioner. It's okay. Conditioner, gel, whatever, just put a nice amount of it on there. I thought I brought my gel. Didn't bring my gel? Actually, I think this is gel. Okay, so now we're sleeking the backside. It needs to come up because the hair is going to be high up on our head. So sleek that part up. We're gonna have to recomb. This is the hardest part, right? Well, not the hardest part, but one of the harder parts. Guys, I was dating this guy, and I think I'm just gonna have to let him go. I just am not in a place where I should even be dating somebody, and I thought that like maybe we could date each other and, you know, like it would be fine and we could just like get to know each other slowly, but it's just like not giving, like it just doesn't even make sense. So I think my dating era has came to a close. I think she's finally donezo. Okay, when you first get your first ponytail, you're gonna go in with a nice fluffy rubber band, okay? And in my head I paint a picture. That was me. Can't sing, guys, but you know. Since I come on home, well my body's been a mess. Well, I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. That's me. Now the two swoopty swoos, okay? This is crucial. This is important. Everything else can wait. get more gel or whatever you have, put it there. I feel like that might need re-slick. I'm actually just gonna do it like this actually, so we're not gonna go. So now you're just gonna slick that back into that pony back there. Just gonna slick it in. This is the tea when trying to get like a super sleek do. This is how they do it in 2 parts, babe. And now we're just gonna take that and tie it into our ponytail. So now you kind of have like 2 ponytails in one. It just helps really get that sleek look and a cute pony. Maybe I'll wear my hair. I doubt I'll wear my hair in a pony. Like, until it reaches the length I want it to, we're not wearing a pony, babe. But okay. See, now she's sleek. She's good. Now we have to do the edges, okay? Okay. I missed you so bad. Love a girl in me. Okay, so you guys know I wasn't showing you an edge tutorial because I am not good at edges. But this is the look. Okay, so now let's put on the outfit because we got about 10 minutes to be ready. Where does time go? Okay, I definitely just feel like this is giving more Model East. Remember guys, we are here for a model campaign. So like, I definitely just want to give what I'm supposed to be here for. Not that that did it, because it definitely did. I just feel like this gives more like class and like, you know what I mean? I think she's cute. Okay, let's get into the accessories. I say I should wear my business earrings, which are these big gold hoops. Gotta wear the watch, duh. Little T, so one of my earrings are like literally on their last leg, like my earlobe, like this one, so I switch my ears, but you can't really tell. I gotta put on the watch, of course. This is vintage. I got this at the flea market. This is how you put a watch on when you are single. You gotta put the wrist down like that, and then you put the overstrap that's like that. Well, actually no, you put the actual clasp that stands up on the inside. Be very still. And you attach. Boom. Bow. Okay? And we're gonna double her up with my Van Cleef. That was a gift. She is one of my favorite gifts. It's so funny because I didn't want to be late today. I was like, we're gonna get ready early so we're not late. I really don't want to risk this. Okay, yeah, that's on. Okay, and then do I put on a bunch of gold jewelry? Because I feel like it will amp up the outfit to look more like me. This is my Christian Dior necklace that mom got me. This outfit is a tad tight on my arms, so it's really hard to get on necklaces. That's something I could use a man for. Okay, I kind of just like that one. I feel like my other ones aren't really with the theme. So now we're gonna go with our jewelry. Of course, I'm a ring girl all the way through and through, tried and true. So we're gonna put those on quickly because your girl is late. Did you hear me? I am late again. Jesus, mom, if you're watching this, I know you raised a better daughter than this. I don't know what happened. You guys, my shoulder pads are like my dress is so tight that I can barely put my heels on. Like when I tell you my arms are like stuck and I'm in a rush. How am I late? I tried so hard to be on time. We just gotta put these on. They've got to just, this makes me want to rip through this thing and I can't. This is the, oh my gosh. This is the outfit. Okay. Almost there. Hopefully we're just on time. Pretty positive I'm late though. Pretty positive they're blowing my phone up. Oh my God, my hands are full of lotion. If you're a man and you're watching this, the struggle is so much realer than you think. Oh my God. You guys, I can't. I can. I can. And I will. I can and I will. Okay. And I'm quickly going to show you the outfit. The outfit. Boom. Boom. Red heels. Red bag. I'm rocking ponytail tonight. I'm cute. I'm happy. I need to throw in my I can do that. I can do that later.